Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Westville Correctional Facility, our open house for the new Anthem MedSuite. We're always trying to find something more that we can do here at the facility for our staff. Anything that we can do to have a healthier workforce makes us a better facility. I've been part of 30 years, I've never seen anything like this before. And it's a great opportunity and an asset for the staff here. We're a 24-hour operation, and we have to have staff here at 2 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it doesn't matter. And we don't always determine when we're going to be sick.
You know, we all work, we're all busy, we've got, careers, families that pull us in different directions, and what this does is just provides better access. And what we really want to do, we want to pull folks out of the traditional 24-hour settings, which we know are a lot higher cost, like emergency rooms and facilities, and treat more common ailments here, even if it's at 11 o'clock at night or 2 in the morning versus having to go to the only thing that would be open, which is an emergency room.
All the physicians that you talk to are in network, and you have the app on your phone. Your family can use it when you're not here. It's a great service.
Yeah, you can actually go into my account and charge your credit card.
It is just incredibly rewarding to give a kiosk like this. Is the second one we've done in the state to these employees that work really hard every day. We want them to be able to prioritize their health and well-being so they can be their best selves at work and at home. And this just offers another opportunity to go after that.
It was an empty office, and we utilized it. I can come out pretty good 24 hours a day. The doors are open here. There's always staff here.